Are customers constantly looking to buy something? No, they're not. Usually, they try to stay in status quo and to keep the things as stable and certain as possible with the minimum changes. Business as usual. We will call this customer behavior mode a pre-buying phase. Then something happens. A disruption. They become aware of certain problem, need, concern, change that sets them into action of looking for the solution. This is the moment when buying journey starts for the customer and lasts until the customer finds the solution, buys it, or decides not to do anything about it and keeps the status quo.